Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Aelf daily update and we are close to our target we mentioned back in the previous video. So I will hold every detail in this technical analysis, non-biased technical analysis. Before we continue, please join our monthly subscription. Link is in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits within an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. But it doesn't stop there. You will also get manual system with buying and selling opportunities to know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell your altcoins. You will also get personal guidance, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis, market updates, and many more benefits. Okay, so you can join there. You can find the link in the description as we said before, and of course you can find the link for the Telegram group chat. Hit the like button and subscribe because it helps so much with the daily updates. Thank you so much. Let's go right now to see the next price target for Aelf. Okay, it is the 1.12 around there, the 1.618 Fibonacci extension. Okay, from there we might be correcting a little bit till we get to our next target, which will be around 1.77. Okay, then we might get around there. So it is very possible that we do not stop here. Okay, instead it is very possible that the 3 will be around the 1.77, then correct and then go up again on this bull run that Aelf is. But right now we will take it step by step. We will just have this as our next price target, and if we keep and have it as a support level, then yes, we can go further upwards, right? So therefore we are very close to our first target right here for Aelf. Let's go a little bit to the volume to see that in the volume here it is increasing. As you can see, I zoom in, so you can see that the price, that the green bars, are increasing right there, and we have huge volume on the daily frame for Aelf. Okay, and you can see that the MACD is going upwards on the daily. Let's go a little bit to the 4-hour frame here. I will remove all the drawings. So let's go for more of a short-term price analysis, and you can see that now we are having the RSI going above the 70 with higher lows. Okay, we are not still in an overbought situation, so do not worry. Instead, what we are checking is the stochastic RSI, and on the stochastic RSI, yes, we were in an overbought situation because in an impulsive wave we are checking the stochastic RSI first, and you can see that now we are on impulsive wave mode. It is necessary to tell you that when we go down from the 20-day EMA, we make the 50-day EMA as support level and we go upwards. Sometimes, right, like here for example on 18th August, we might be getting even below the 50-day EMA. Even if we get down from the 50-day EMA on the 4-hour frame for the short term, do not panic and do not worry. Okay, so for now you can see that we have the commodity channel index with higher lows as well. Stochastic RSI was in an overbought, and that's why we had some huge sell pressure right here for Aelf on the 4-hour frame. Let's go to the daily frame again. I want to check some indicators right here as we are going upwards, and we have the stochastic RSI, which is not in an overbought situation. That is the most important thing. Stochastic RSI is not in an overbought situation. If it was here, then we might be consolidating, but right now we are perfectly fine. RSI though is in an overbought situation. You can see the higher low pattern that we form on the Aelf, and even if we go a little bit down, then we want to follow this pattern for Aelf. Okay, so right now we are making some higher low pattern. We want to keep going, but of course we have an overbought situation on the daily frame. Same for the commodity channel index, as long as we are having some higher low pattern for Aelf. Okay, you can see that the MACD right now is increasing on the daily frame as we saw before, and let's see the SSL hybrid a little bit just in case we had any selling opportunity. No, we had a buying opportunity back then on 22nd August, and now we do not want to sell our altcoin. Okay, we do not want to sell for now the Aelf. Let's go to Aelf Bitcoin chart, and you can see on the 4-hour frame that we are not in an overbought situation, although we can correct just a tiny bit. If Bitcoin crashes down more, we want a strong Aelf against Bitcoin chart, and therefore we want for it to be super strong against Bitcoin, because Bitcoin right now, as you can see, had a bearish candle. It's going sideways. Probably the next step will be to go even further down once we test maybe the 20-day EMA again. But let's go again to the Aelf Bitcoin chart. You can see that once we remain strong against Bitcoin, we have nothing to be afraid of. Okay, you can see the daily frame as well. It is looking good, it is looking nice. We just have some huge sell pressure right here, which is a little bit scary, but at the same time we have nothing to be afraid of. You can see that the RSI right now is a little bit in an overbought situation right here, as you can see again, but we want to keep this pattern for Aelf Bitcoin chart, right? This is the impulsive wave pattern, and we want to keep that for the commodity channel index the same. Stochastic RSI is not in an oversold situation, but not in an overbought as well. Good to know that we can grow even more, or we can correct. Maybe we will see about that for Aelf Bitcoin chart on the daily frame. Let's go now to the price analysis, and you can see that we have our next target, and we told you that we have the 0, 1, 2. Okay, this is the impulsive Elliott waves, impulsive wave theory. Okay, so we had 0, 1, 2, 3 maybe at the 1.12. We will see about that. This is the price target we have on the Fibonacci extension, with the 2 bottoms and the 1 top right here back on 9th April. Okay, so we had 2 bottoms, 1 top, and we draw our Fibonacci extension. You can see that the first target, the 1.618, which is also the 0.236, is at around 1.12. Okay, so right there, 1.12, 1.13 is our first target. All right, so therefore we need to check if we can go there. Can we go there? Can we go past the 112, 113? Yes, probably we can. Okay, and we might not correct here. We might correct, for example, there. Okay, or here. So let's take it step by step and see that the first target is the 1.30. If we correct from here, then we probably go down all the way to 64 cents. Okay, we might be going down there, and then the next impulsive wave will come, and eventually we will go above the 1.55, 1.76 probably or so. Okay, so do not worry about anything. Aelf is here to stay, and for now it is looking good. It is looking like we are approaching our next targets. The only problem here is Bitcoin. Okay, and the Bitcoin is the problem, because if Bitcoin crashes down, then yes, we might be we might be slower into our next price target. But if Bitcoin was around here at this time that Aelf was going upwards, then it would be very nice, and we would surely get quick, fast to the 1.30. Okay, but for now be careful, because Bitcoin might crash anytime, but I do not think that we won't be able to reach our targets. 1.13 and 1.77 around there is our next targets for Aelf on the mid term. Okay, on the mid term. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to join the monthly subscription for easy profits. I have the link in the description down below. Buy me a coffee / mind your crypto. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.